According to UNICEF, over 70% of schools in Ethiopia don't have operating water facilities within premises. Now, our experience is that many of those schools actually did have water facilities in the past, but they are now defunct. They're not working for different reasons. It might be because of lack of funds, or it might be because of lack of know-how or the right equipment on the ground. But this infrastructure is not working.
The scenario of defunct water systems is not unique to Ethiopia. Globally, a staggering 248 million schoolchildren face each day without safe water access, even though infrastructure exists on premises. This lack of proper WASH makes it impossible to prevent WASH-associated diseases such as trachoma, schistosomiasis, and intestinal worms, all considered neglected tropical diseases or NTDs.
NALA is an organization that has been working in Ethiopia since 2008. Our main focus is disease prevention, specifically for three main diseases: schistosomiasis, STH, and trachoma. And what we do is we focus on behavioral change and creating the enabling environment for such a behavioral change.
It's from working in schools that the idea came. We go to schools where we see the school will be considered as having like a water facility, because somebody, like an international organization or national organization, has built a WASH facility for that school. But most of these facilities don't work anymore. The idea of WASH on Wheels is to have a mobile clinic that goes around schools to fix these problems.
The WASH on Wheels project consists of a technician-operated vehicle equipped with tools and materials that travels to schools in NTD-endemic areas, fixing broken water infrastructure and restoring water access to students. Piloted in Ethiopia in 2022 as a proof of concept, the WASH on Wheels project surpassed expectations, with 250 schools and over 170,000 children gaining access to clean water in its first year of implementation. Taking on average less than a day to fix, the WASH on Wheels project provides an innovative solution to the issue of water in schools, supporting the creation of an enabling environment and the prevention of WASH-associated diseases. Kola Shele School in Arba Minch, Surya, Southern Nation Nationalities and Peoples regions of Ethiopia, was one of them, where despite the presence of a deep well and 20,000 litre capacity reservoir, the school had not had water access in 20 years. When the WASH on Wheels team arrived in Kola Shele School, they assessed the infrastructure and, together with the school community and local government, connected the public water line to the reservoir, restoring water access to 2,747 schoolchildren and the surrounding school community. Building sustainability into the project framework, the WASH on Wheels team also trains government-selected WASH fellows from the District Water Office, providing them with theoretical and practical training sessions for the continued maintenance of infrastructure.
The WASH fellows will be remained there. After the project, they will just work the operational and maintenance activity. Plus to that, not only the problem of operational and technical persons, the problem is the management of WASH. So we will also strengthen the WASH course and other software activities to be strengthened, to be aware, and create sense of ownership in the community.
The WASH on Wheels project provides an innovative solution that not only addresses the critical issue of WASH access in schools, but also maximizes the impact of invested resources, making it extremely cost-effective, with an average return of 400 school days of water for one child for every $1 invested. It serves as a model not just locally, but globally, providing a blueprint for change on an international scale. The portable structure with streamlined equipment and associated training paves the way for global replication, providing a feasible solution to attaining Sustainable Development Goal 6, the availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. Through addressing WASH access in a feasible and scalable manner, we, together, can make significant strides towards achieving the goal of NTD elimination for communities at risk around the world.